The virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Welcome to the virtual whiteboard. In my previous video on phonics, you would have learned the sounds for the letter A. We learned just all the simple sounds. In this video today, let us learn about the sounds for the letter B. The letter B has a very few combination of sounds. Let us see one by one. The letter B makes the sound B. The letters B and A make the sound ba. For example, bat, bad, back. The letters BA also make the sound bay, as in base, basin, bake. So there are two sounds for the letters B and A, ba or bay. The letters B and E make the sound B, as in be, begin, before. The letters BE also make the sound B. For example, bed, belt, and bet. So the letters BE makes two sounds. One is B, the other one is B. The letters BI make the sound by, as in bind, bicycle, binoculars. The letters BI also make the sound B, as in big, bit, bid. So the letters BI has two sounds, by and B. The letters BL make the sound blue, black, blood. The letters BO make the sound B, as in body, bought, bond. The letters BO also make the sound BO, as in boring, both, bold. So the letters BO make the sound BA or BO. The letters BR make the sound BRA, as in bring, brother, browse. The letters BU make the sound BA, as in buy, bucket, buddy. The letters BY make the sound by, as in bypass, bystander, byproduct. I hope you have all learnt the sounds for the letter B and combinations of B with other letters. Please watch this video and practice the sounds. In the next video, we shall see the sounds for letter C and its combinations with other letters. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.